Welcome to the NetHoncho system. This is the NetHoncho dashboard. The dashboard shows a summary of basic information for all of the networks in an ISP. NetHoncho stores network IP address range specifications and details pertaining to the equipment located within a given network in its database. The ISP operator adds and updates both networks and the network's equipment via intuitive, labor-efficient screens. Once a network is configured, NetHoncho will automatically ping each network's entire IP address range and store up to a year's worth of ping latency and packet loss data. NetHoncho also automatically queries each device via SNMP so as to obtain both bits per second and errors per second on each of the device's network interfaces. Each network's data is summarized in a bar chart. These charts show IP address consumption, reachable equipment, and any unexpected equipment not NetHoncho discovered on the network. Clicking the Packet Loss On button presents charts showing packet loss and latency metrics for IP devices that are currently experiencing packet losses. Red trend lines show packet loss rates. Green and blue lines show ping latencies. To prevent the occurrence of packet losses from being overlooked, the charts show a yellow background wherever packet loss occurs, no matter how minor. Each packet loss chart includes a link to the IP device's details page, which presents charts showing additional performance metrics. These metrics include bits per second to each of the device's interfaces, as well as errors per second. The unexpected equipment are a special case where NetHoncho encounters unused IP addresses that unexpectedly return pings. NetHoncho designates these IP addresses as rogue addresses. Rogue addresses are created when equipment is installed on the network but is never documented. Note that the Conyers network has one rogue address. Rogue addresses are a concern because they're created when the ISP loses track of its own equipment. This can be caused by the subscriber's paperwork falling into a crack. In this case, the ISP has lost track of a subscriber's module's physical location, and perhaps somebody's receiving free internet because the ISP staff has no way of knowing they need to send a bill. Without NetHoncho, discovering undocumented equipment would be a hit or miss matter of luck. In contrast, NetHoncho gives you back your lost equipment on its dashboard. This concludes the walkthrough of the NetHoncho dashboard screen. Please check out our other webcasts of our other NetHoncho features.